G'day nachos lovers, Greg here. Well, for lunch today I thought I'd whip up a really quick, easy nachos using my favourite kitchen utensil, the air fryer. This is going to be super easy, super quick. Let me show you what I'm using. So for this, all I'm really using is some salsa, si senor. Some corn chips, si, Doritos. Doesn't matter which ones, just grab some. I got some pizza blend or just any old grated cheese. And realistically, that's all you really need. But I'm also going to use some spring onions, which I cut up. And I've got an avo here, might as well mash that one up. And you'll also need some baking paper. All right, well, let's start making this. All right, well, let's grab the inner part of the air fryer. And we need to line this so everything doesn't start falling through. So grab some baking paper and create a nest which will hold everything together, hopefully. Alright, well, let's get some corn chips into here. The bottom layer. Be a few layers in this. We all love our layers, don't we? Especially chickens. And next, grab the salsa. What's this? Super glued on or something? Or am I just getting old? Oh boy, that was tough. And we'll spoon some of that on. Add some deliciousness to this. Some sauciness. We love our sauciness. And grab some cheese. I hope I've got enough. It's alright if I don't. I've got another bag. One thing I never have little of in my house is cheese. I always make sure I got plenty of that stuff lying around, that's for sure. So there's the first layer. Might sprinkle some onions in there too. Yeah. Well, I tell you what, that would do me fine, actually. If it was just me eating it, which it is, which means I need to add some more. Because, hey, you know, you don't get a body like mine from just one layer of corn chips. No way, mate. You need a few layers, right? More sauce. Ooh, yeah, mama. Come at me. A moment on the lips is a lifetime on the hips. Tell you what, my hips are dangerously small at the moment, so I better add some extra stuff on. I might even just go to 2 layers, actually. Might as well go to heaps more cheese. I might just leave it at that, actually. That should be enough. Right, let's go to the air fryer. Alright, stick that in. Poke that through. Now, what temperature and time? Well, I'll start off at 180 and, well, I think I'll go 10 minutes. Now, I probably should start at 7. Actually, you know what? I will. Start off at 7, come back and check it out and see how well it's going. Because I'd rather give it too little time than too much time. While I'm doing that, I might as well just mush up my avo. Oh, thank goodness it's like half decent. I mean, I've also got here some sour cream, which I intend on adding at the end too. So you might as well, you know, fancy it right up, I reckon. Just mush that up. A fork could be better. Oh yeah, much better. Alright, now I just need to wait for the beeper to go off. We'll start finishing this bad boy off. Alright, well, the timer's gone off. Oh, mate! Look at that! Oh, yes! Okay, so this should just be able to lift out. And then it just slide it onto the plate. Get back in there, sunshine. Whack on the avocado. Yum. Some sour cream. Amen. Finish it off with a few more sprinkles of onion. And there you have it. One delicious looking nachos. I can't wait. Oh man. What a great party snack. Or just a football snack. Or just any excuse, really. Oh mate. This is great. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. And if you make this, I'm sure that you'll be enjoying the rest of yours too. Well, there's the nachos in the air fryer. Super easy and super quick and super tasty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then. Yes! Oh yeah, this is great.